Hey, good morning. It's Mark with Dirty Dryer Vent Cleaning out here in Wesley Chapel, Florida this morning for an appointment and a complete dryer vent inspection, including the attic. And as you can see, there's the vent right there. It goes up from the laundry room through the insulation up to and through the roof. So we know this one is good to go. If you've just purchased a home and you want to make sure that the dryer vent is complete, give us a call and we'll do a full inspection, cleaning, and testing for yours as well.